Good morning, students. Today we discuss about decomposition reaction or electrolysis of water. Okay. So what is electrolysis? Electrolysis of water means simply when current is passing through water, then to give ions hydrogen and oxygen ions. Okay. This phenomena is called electrolysis. Okay. Clear? So 2H2O give rise to 2H2 gas and O2 gas. Okay. So here hydrogen water molecule divided into two compounds, two subcompounds, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So a single compound divided into two or more compounds means it is example for decomposition. So now I am explain one activity or lab experiment. So in this experiment, what are the materials required? So plastic mug, take one plastic mug, okay, two test tubes, okay, inverted direction, two test tubes, and water, okay, here filled with two test tubes filled with water, and hydrochloric acid, okay, HCl or H2SO4 acid, only 5 ml or 3 ml, okay, and so two rubber corks or two rubber stoppers, and one battery. Clear? And here two graphite rods or carbon rods, okay, two graphite or carbon rods. So now first take a plastic mug, and to make two holes of the bottom of the plastic mug, okay. Now, okay, place two electrodes, graphite electrodes or carbon electrodes like this, okay. Now these two holes, okay, closed with rubber stoppers, okay. So this one is act as anode, and second electrode act as a cathode. So anode means positive charge, cathode means negative charge. Clear? Now take two test tubes, filled with water, and invert them over the electrodes, two electrodes. Clear? So two test tubes are filled with water. Okay. Now add a small amount of HCl or H2SO4 to water also. Clear? So now connect these two anode and cathode to battery. Now switch is closed. So that means the current is passing through water. Then after some time, after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, okay. So what some bubbles or some air bubbles or gas bubbles formed in the both test tubes. So the in first test tube at anode, okay, the bubbles indicates oxygen gas. In second test tube, the bubbles indicates hydrogen gas. So at anode, oxygen gas is formed. At cathode, hydrogen gas is formed. Clear, ma? So here the current is passing through water. Then the water is divided into two subcompounds, hydrogen and oxygen. So this is example for decomposition reaction. This phenomena is called electrolysis. Clear all of you, ma? This diagram is very important. Okay, students, now we discuss about oxidation and reduction. So what is the oxidation? Oxidation means simply the addition of oxygen atoms or removal of hydrogen atoms is called oxidation. So oxidation is a phenomena in which the addition of oxygen atoms or removal of hydrogen atoms is called oxidation. So reduction means the quite opposite of oxidation. So the chemical reaction in which the addition of hydrogen atoms or removal of oxygen atoms is called reduction. Clear? So oxidation means simply the addition of oxygen atoms or removing of hydrogen atoms. Okay? That is oxidation. So reduction means the removing of oxygen atoms or addition of hydrogen atoms is called reduction. Okay, now I give examples. So oxidation example. For example, take carbon. So carbon is react with oxygen gas to give carbon dioxide. Here the addition of oxygen atoms. So oxygen atoms is added to carbon. So to give carbon dioxide. So it is example of oxidation. Clear? Now for example C3H8 plus O2. Again carbon is combined with oxygen atoms. So CO2 plus water. Okay. So 5, 3, 4. Now balance the equation. So this is C3H8. What is the name? Propane. This name is propane. So propane is react with oxygen gas to give carbon dioxide and water. Here in carbon hydroatoms are there, but here removing of hydrogen atoms to carbon atom. Okay, hydrogen removing and oxygen atoms adding. This is called oxidation. Clear? Now reduction. So what is the reduction? The addition of oxygen atoms or the removing of hydrogen atoms. For example, take H2 and Cl2. So Cl2 means chlorine gas, H2 means hydrogen gas. Now H2 is react with chlorine gas to give 2HCl, hydrochloric acid. So here hydrogen atoms are added to chlorine atoms. It is example of reduction. So reduction means the addition of hydrogen atoms. Clear? So oxidation means addition of oxygen atoms or removal of hydrogen atoms. And reduction means the addition of hydrogen atoms or removing of oxygen atoms. Clear? Now photochemical reaction. So what is a photochemical reaction? So what is photochemical reaction? So the reaction takes place by using sunlight. Okay, by using sunlight, that is simply photochemical reaction. For example, the plants preparation of the food by using sunlight. Okay, carbon dioxide and water to give glucose and oxygen gas. So this is the preparation of food for plants. Clear? So the preparation of the food for plants, it is example for photochemical reaction. In photochemical reaction, it absorbs the sunlight or the energy of the sunlight. Okay, clear? So